Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Quick Guide. Today I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Doordash account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Doordash account, firstly open your Doordash application. Tap on Login option on the top right corner of the screen. List of options will pop up on the screen. Click on one of the options. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Doordash account. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password. After entering your email address and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Doordash account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.